we've got a project. WWTD. What would Tom do? We are going to replace our outdoor light above our entry door with a huge LED motion sensor light that we purchased online from Amazon through Leisure Coachworks in Fontana site. We're getting ready to do that. Let's do it together. So we got the package from Amazon with our light in it, and it's a biggie. Okay, there's my hand, there's the light. Motion sensor. It's got two motion sensors on each corner. I believe that's what those are. Pretty simple installs, what it looks like. There's two wires and two screws, and we've got a package of hardware in here. Right there. So we'll have to drill two new holes. We can't use the existing holes because the light we're replacing is probably a third of this size. Here's our light we're going to replace. Take the cover off. Take my LED that I put in it. And then we've got 4 little bolts we need to take off. And check the wiring. We've removed the old light. Got the 2 wires that we're going to need for the new light. We've cleaned this all up. And we're ready to drill our new holes because they're going to be a lot bigger, a lot wider than the original holes. So we scanned the back of the light. So we've got our picture with where the screw holes need to be. Drill those out. Then we can take this off and we're good to go. We're going to put it on. Oh, we also made sure it was level with the existing holes, and that way we know the paper's level, so the light will be level. It might turn a little bit one way or the other, but that's for rainwater. All right, she's installed, and the little blue light over here comes on. So we have the new light, and once it gets dark tonight, we will show you the final results and how bright it really is. So we finished the light. It looks pretty good. Got enough darkness. Let's turn it on. See how bright it really is. Oh, it's got the little, there you go. Woo! Holy cow.
Is it good?
That's a bright light. And you'll notice the blue light flashing. And that is for when it does get dark enough, it'll come on with a motion sensor also. So let's see the motion sensor work. There you go. Pretty cool. Well, there's my install on our brand new outside motion sensor light that we installed today, and we picked it up today from Leisure Coachworks, a division of Alfateers. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to click the little bell, get notified every time we put up a brand new video, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. We really do appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for coming along. See ya.